Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Acumen. I am Sristi and today's video is a very special one because this is the second part of our Ayurveda series. In the first part, we learned what Ayurveda is, how it's an ancient science that helps us stay healthy by living in balance with nature. But I know sometimes stories make learning even more fun. So in this video, we will tell you a short magical story that will help you understand Ayurveda even better. Get ready to meet Nila and the nature doctor and discover how nature's wisdom can keep us happy, strong, and full of energy. Let's begin. Story name Nila and the nature doctor. Nila lived in a peaceful village full of sunshine and flowers. She loved playing in her garden, eating mangoes, and reading under her favorite mango tree. But one day, Nila didn't feel good. Her tummy hurt. Her head was heavy. She didn't want to play at all. She whispered to the tree, "Why do I feel so?" Suddenly, a magical breeze blew through the leaves. And guess what? An old man in a robe made of herbs and flowers appeared right in front of her. "I am Dr. Prakriti, the nature doctor," he said kindly. "You are out of balance, little one, but don't worry, I can help." Dr. Prakriti waved his hand and three glowing colors floated in the air. Red for Pitta, blue for Vata, green for Kapha. "These are your energy friends," he said. "They live inside your body and help keep you strong." Then the doctor gently asked, "Have you been eating too many chips and sweets, watching cartoons late at night, skipping playtime outside?" Nila nodded sadly. "Oh yes, I did all that." Dr. Prakriti smiled and shared his magical tips from Ayurveda. Eat warm, colorful food like fruits and dal. Sleep early. Your body loves rest. And don't forget to play in the sunshine. From that day, Nila listened to nature's advice. She ate healthy meals, slept on time, and played outside every day. Soon she felt bright, happy, and full of energy again. One evening, she saw Dr. Prakriti flying away on a giant leaf. "Stay balanced, Nila," he called out, "and you will always stay healthy and strong." So friends, just like Nila learned, Ayurveda helps us stay healthy by living in balance with nature. Eat well, sleep well, and play in the sunshine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Acumen for more stories and fun learning. See you next time. Bye bye.